me. Up and down. Up and down. Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and we're here with the OMG, and we have Miss NYE Queen. I live to celebrate. If confetti's in the air, then my shoes are on the dance floor. I know that's right, diva. So I was able to get this doll, I believe, for $29, and I got her from Walmart. They are currently discounting these dolls out. And as you can see, her moon prism in the background completely lights up, and it's an illuminator. And you can feel her dress a little bit. I mean, her coat. She's so pretty. Like, look at her face. And this is her inbox. I can't wait to see what pieces are separate and what pieces aren't. And this jacket feels so soft. If you're familiar with my channel, you know she's coming out of box. So let's start now. Hi guys. We're back, and I have Miss NYE Queen out of her packaging, and she is so beautiful. Now she does come with this like rose gold color brush. It's so cute. And then of course her stand, and of course when you press the button, everything lights up. It's so cute. I want you guys to see all the lights and everything. It's such a vibe. I love her. As into a closer look for the backdrop of the moon background. So all of this is the little plastic plating to give the moon illusion, and you can see it's a crescent cutout, and all of this is rose gold. Okay, so I want you guys to look at this. All of this is rose gold. This background is the blue shimmer, so if this background wasn't there, this would just be clear. Okay, I want you guys to know that if you remove this blue backing, this part where you see my hand, it's all clear. Okay, so I just wanted to include that. And here again, I'll press it and we can kind of watch it light. I brought out Crystal Star. She's here to support NYE, coming to Callie Stormdoll's Mausoleum Toys. So I just wanted to bring a closer look. Not that she's not worth $54, but I'm happy that Walmart discounts out. These are her heels, rose gold ombre heel. Very beautiful. Going up to her fishtail gown, just gold. Leading up to this metallic bodice, which is also set in like gold. Then she has her ball purse, which MGA loves to do, but this is appropriate for this look, so I like that. She has her rose gold choker on, and it gave it like an ombre spray. Leading up to her face, which is the gold makeup. Her lip is like an ombre type of lip. Mine looks like it may be a little misprinted, but it looks really good. Blue eyes, of course the blonde baby hairs. Her afro is nice. It does feel a little dry, but I love that it's an afro in a different color, because they usually give us a brown afro. This is a blonde afro, and I'm so here for it, and it is nice quality. And once you look behind her crown, you can see that they took the time to wrap each section up with the braids. So that was really cool, and that's attention to detail. And the crown is so beautiful. Does she come with earrings? Yes, she does come with earrings. There and there. They're just triangles. And this is the highlight of the moment. I'm gonna press the moon again. This jacket is beautiful, honey. This coat, this is so cute. It's like this soft pink with the gold detailing, and then it has the gold trim on the inside, which is beautiful. This, she kind of looks like Storm to me from X-Men. She gives me like a holiday Storm doll. Sister, we cannot do this alone. What do you mean? We have each other, so we are never alone. No, for this battle, we're gonna need some help. Wakanda forever. I heard that you need some help. Well, good thing you called me. It's Storm, the Weather Witch, and I'm here to save your day. When Storm comes through, I'm gonna team up with Black Panther, and we're gonna rule this year. Wakanda forever. we're blasting off into a new age. Dun, 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 dun. That's kind of what I look at her as, like a holiday storm doll. I think she's cute. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to see how she's going to look once we take some of this stuff off, because I want to see what look this queen can give besides festive. So this is really cute. So this is what she gives outside of it. It looks so pretty. And you can actually, so you can also separate this, and then you can see that this is actually a two-piece. Wow. This is really cute. Like, I'm loving her look. She definitely gives me Storm. That's why I'm so happy, because I brought out my my Black Panther figure. But Storm, you and Black Panther are going to the ball together tonight. Does his outfit look good with yours? Absolutely not. I told you, Panther, we are supposed to be dripping in gold. So Black Panther's gonna go change, and now he's back. He's now dripping in gold, just like Storm wanted. So I think NYE, New Year's Eve queen looks so good. And in my collection, I'm turning her into my Storm doll. I made like Storm New Year's Eve doll, and like her nails, for those who want to see, are like the rose gold color. It looks so good. So I think they look so good together. Oh my god. What do you guys think? Like, I know everyone's probably like, he's too small, but the thing is, they did have a 12-inch Black Panther doll at one point, but like he sold out once the actor passed away. So all the really tall ones sold out, and now on the secondary market they're like so expensive. Oh no, her hair is caught in his mask, but this shows the good quality, because look, it snaps right back. So these are good. This is like cute quality. I may actually change her outfit and give her a completely different look, but I love that you could have her bodice on or you could have it off. So she's very cute, and her stand, just like Crystal Star, is built into her playset, and I think she looks so beautiful. So there you have it, NYE Queen. Is she worth it? Yes. So go to Walmart's website. They are discounting her out online and in store. I was able to get mine in store, but they are discounting her out online as well. So check her out. I say she's an A+ doll for the holidays. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And just know this, I will see you in my next video. Bye.